guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to watch any show for free without, having to pay any sort of subscription or anything like that. So, simply all you have to do is just open Chrome and type cneb.net, alright? If you type cneb.net, like that, it gets you straight into this website, and it gives you a bunch of shows that are trending or featured and of course the latest movies and so on and so forth. It never really ends. And you can obviously log in as usual. I'm not really logged in or anything like that. And there are so many other things. Seriously, I mean, you even got the country. You can sort it out by country or genre. So you got a lot of options. For example, if I want to watch, um, let's see an example here. For example, so you can watch TVs and shows and movies, other stuff like that. So what can we watch? Let's, for example, type Morbius as an example here. Here it is. And if you click on it, now this will, I'm not going to play it because it's quite, there might be a chance of some sort of very stupid copyright stuff. So I'm just going to kind of not play it. If you play a show, there will be a seasons drop down menu. Maybe season 1, season 2, season 3, season 4, season 5, and so on and so forth. You can also add it as a favorite. Add favorite, obviously, and you can change the server. So, for example, one server doesn't work or is too slow. You can always just click one of these, and that's really it. And if you want to go, obviously, back to the home screen, you can always just click this little green button over here. And it's that simple. I mean, it's just very easy and nothing really hard, actually. So not that long ago, clicked through this thing. If we click home, it's going to lead us to the home screen. Top IMDb movies. Sorry, not movies. Top IMDb movies and TV shows, obviously. Popular movies, popular TV shows as well. So here they are. And the Android app. So here it is. If you want to download it, obviously on Android. I'm gonna let me just hang on. Let me just click that. Okay, that's it really. That's all you got. And there are even no ads as well. There are actually no ads. There is nothing related to and of course there are some issues with latency sometimes, obviously. There will be an issue regarding latency. But that's obviously that's what we expect from a free website that gives you a bunch of shows. You obviously expect some latency here and there. But it can be fixed just like I said with changing the server and all that. So as you can see, this is a very thorough, a very sort of small review of the this Cineb.net website that gives you free shows and movies to watch. Thank you guys for watching.